basketball day again. I can't even move my arms. Maybe just to walk my cells?
Here's my friend Kenson Park. Hands are shaking and feet are heavy. Every day of a Parkinson disease patient is a battle for each cell.
Human pluripotent stem cells, or hPSCs, are cells with the ability to differentiate into all cells. They can be used to replenish the dopamine-producing neurons of Parkinson's disease. Yes, Kenson, you might be able to play basketball again.
If my cells can handle it.
I wish they would, but you'll be fine. hPSC therapies are being explored for a wide range of conditions, including heart damage after a heart attack, diabetes through replacement of insulin-producing cells, and certain types of vision loss. As of December 2024, over 115 clinical trials worldwide have tested hPSC-derived products across 83 different therapeutic indications, with more than 1,200 patients receiving these cells in total. These therapies have generally shown a favorable safety profile, with no major adverse events reported, highlighting the potential of hPSC-based approaches to restore damaged tissues and offer regenerative solutions across multiple diseases. In Kinson's case, he has Parkinson's disease, where dopamine-producing neurons in the brain gradually die, leading to progressive motor difficulties. Recent clinical trials, including a study at Kyoto University, have shown that transplanted iPS-cell-derived dopaminergic progenitors can survive, produce dopamine, and even improve motor function in some patients. While this is still early-stage research, it suggests that Kinson could potentially benefit from such cell replacement therapy, offering a treatment option that goes beyond symptom management and aims to restore the lost neural function. The transplantation was successful, but the differentiation seems unstable.
Dr. Kevin said the cells are growing too fast. Life is dangerous when not under control.
Fuck! The stem cells! They turn into bone cells!
There isn't much time left to see each other like this. Thank you for taking care of me so long.
Kinson, I'll never forget the time we had together.
Hello, my name is Kinson Park, and I'd like to explain about the challenges that hPSC therapy has. So the biggest challenge is safety issues. You can see that immature or undifferentiated stem cells can turn into a tumor called peritomas. So in the video, my brain cells turn into bone cells, but that actually barely happens. But these types of teratomas actually can happen, and they are very fatal to patients like me. And the second problem is immune rejection. In most cases, using autologous treatment, which is using my own cells, it has very minimal immune rejection. Next is the problem of immune rejection. You can use autologous treatment, which is using my own cells, and that can lower the risk of immune rejection. But autologous treatment is very expensive and is also very time-consuming. So in cases like me, I get my cells from other donors, which is called allogenic therapy. But this is where the risk arises. You can take immunosuppressions as an option, but that could lead to other health issues, which can be fatal to patients like me. So I heard that researchers are working to create something called a universal donor hPSC, but I don't know how much I have to wait for these to happen. Good evening, distinguished members of the Academy, esteemed colleagues, family, and friends. My name is Pluripotent, son of Jugi Han. To stand here tonight is an extraordinary honor, but the true significance of this moment isn't about the medal. It is about the new chapter that we are going to open in human health. My life in science began with the promise to my mother. She had a dear friend who fought Parkinson's disease. This friend put all her hope into a cutting-edge therapy using stem cells, a therapy that was meant to rebuild what the disease had destroyed. But that therapy failed. Tragically, her friend passed away. My mother, Jugi Han, watched that devastating failure, and she turned to me and said very clearly, "That technology holds a great promise, but it isn't ready. You must take it ready." That was my mission. For years, we knew that the stem cells, which are the body's master builders, had incredible potential to repair damaged organs. But they were unpredictable. When we put them into a patient, they would often create unwanted growths or be rejected by the immune system. My team and I never gave up on their promise. We went back to the very basic code of these cells. We studied why they acted out. And finally, after years of intense work, we solved it. We developed a way to guide these master cells, making them perfectly stable, perfectly predictable, and compatible with every patient. We didn't just tweak the existing therapy, we made it safe, effective, and reliable. This award recognizes the scientific breakthrough, but I want to recognize the human spirit that powered it. To my brilliant team, your persistence, your long nights, and your shared belief in this vision made this possible. Thank you. And to my mother, Jugi Han, I kept the promise. Your compassion has laid the groundwork for this global advance. We ensure that no family has to face the agonizing failure again. The future of medicine is now here. Let us use this gift to heal the world. Thank you.
진짜 개웃긴데? 아니 진짜 개웃긴데?
There isn't much time left.
눈 마주치자마자 그런 거 어떡해?
아니 왜 구도가 이게 맞을까? 생각을 해봤어 내가.
왜? 너무 안 보여? 오히려 앞쪽이 낫나?
그렇게 해야 될 것 같아.
Fuck! The stem cells! They turn into... 너가 그렇게 뒷모습을 유유히 떠나가면서 웃자마자 있으면 안 웃기냐고!
언제가 안
Yeah, we talking about hPSC, the future's unlocked. Cell shape shifting any type, name the spot. Neurons, heart cells, bloodlines on demand. Differentiation power got the world in its hands. Unlimited growth, keep dividing non-stop. Self-renewal on the rise, let the cell count pop. Customized treatment, yeah, tailor-made. Personalized healing, watch disease fade. Yeah, hPSC therapy, the next big wave. Power so strong, could heal or could break. Hope in the lab, but we walk that line. Big dreams ahead, but the risks still shine. Yeah, hPSC therapy, the next big wave. Power so strong, could heal or could break. Hope in the lab, but we walk that line. Big dreams ahead, but the risks still shine. But hold up, wrong direction, cells might stray. Differentiate while going off path someday. Growing too fast, uncontrolled explosion. Teratoma risk, biological commotion. Still under trials, proof on the brink. Clinically unproven, we closer than you think. Future's bright, but the road's still long. Signs keep pushing, gotta right what's wrong. Yeah, hope and caution, together they ride. hPSC therapy, truth we can't hide.